Ghosts are a Halloween classic, and for good reason. They're creepy, playful, and instantly recognizable. Whether you're going for cute, eerie, or downright haunted, ghost decor is endlessly customizable. Let's explore creative and fun ways to bring a ghostly touch to your home this spooky season. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a fun way to decorate with ghost balloons? Draw ghost faces on white helium balloons using black marker. Tie ribbons to the bottom and let them float freely, or tape them to walls for a fun floating display. Love balloon magic? Like this if floating ghosts made you smile. What indoor ghost decor looks great in any room? Place soft plush ghosts on shelves, windowsills, or couches. Use small white lanterns or frosted jars with LED lights inside for a subtle, glowing ghost look. Decorating inside the haunt? Tap like if you're adding these cuties. What ghost window decor adds curb appeal? Stick ghost silhouettes on the inside of your windows with removable vinyl. Backlight them at night with string lights or LED candles for a glowing, spooky effect. Eyes on your windows? Like this if your ghosts are peeking out. What ghost-themed lights work best? Try string lights with little ghost covers, or use mason jars filled with fairy lights and ghost cutouts. These soft, glowy touches keep the atmosphere fun, not frightening. Lights with spirit? Like this if you love a gentle glow. What are some kid-friendly ghost decor ideas? Use cartoon-style ghost cutouts, plush toys, or glow-in-the-dark stickers. Let kids decorate their own ghosts with markers, glitter, and googly eyes for interactive fun. Ghosts for little ghouls? Like this if your decor is kid-approved. How do I make a DIY ghost garland? Cut white felt or fabric into ghost shapes and string them with fishing line or twine. Hang above doorways, mantels, or shelves to add movement and charm. Crafty and cute, like this if you're stringing up spooks. How can I turn pumpkins into ghosts? Paint pumpkins white and add simple black eyes and mouths. Use gauze for texture or add glow-in-the-dark paint for an eerie twist. Great for porches or table displays. Pumpkins meet poltergeists, like this if you're painting your patch. How can I make ghost lanterns? Wrap mason jars in white gauze or tissue, add black eyes, and place LED candles inside. Line your stairs or porch railings for a flickering, haunted path. Lantern glow up? Like this if you're lighting the ghostly way. How can I make floating ghosts for the yard? Use white fabric or cheesecloth over foam balls and hang them from tree branches. Add black felt eyes and fishing line for a floating illusion. At night, use spotlights for a chilling effect. Going ghostly outside? Like this if your yard's about to float. How can I add ghosts to a Halloween tree? Hang mini ghost ornaments or paper cutouts between bats and pumpkins. Drape cheesecloth through branches to create a ghostly forest feel in your living room. Tree of terror? like this if your branches are looking haunted. Can I use ghosts in a party table setup? Absolutely. Use ghost napkins, themed plates, and tiny ghost centerpieces. Add marshmallow or cookie ghosts as edible decor for a sweet, spooky touch. Party planning mode, like this if your table's hauntingly fun. Can I decorate with ghost pillows and blankets? Yes! Choose throw pillows with smiling ghosts or spooky messages. Layer white, gray, and black blankets for a soft, haunted house look that's comfy and festive. Cozy meets creepy, like this if your couch is ghost ready. Ghost decorations bring Halloween to life in the most timeless way. From glowing lanterns to floating phantoms, there are endless ways to make your space feel spirited and fun. Keep it playful, creepy, or anything in between. Just make it yours. Feeling the spirit? Like and subscribe for more Halloween how-tos.